Welcome back. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting and sometimes overwhelming parts of the design, paint colors. Choosing the right paint isn't about what looks good on a swatch, it's about how it makes you feel, how it works in your space, and how it sets the tone for your home. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the biggest color trends in 2025, what designers are already forecasting for 2026, and most importantly, how to choose the right paint color for your home. If you ever stood in front of 100 swatches and thought, where do I even start? This one is for you. Let's start with what's happening right now. The color story of 2025 is about warmth, grounding, and subtle sophistication. Paint companies are leaning heavily into the warm-inspired tone. Think cinnamon slate, ashy moss, and rich leather browns. These shades bring in comfort while still feeling elevated. We're moving away from cool grays and sharp whites. Now, let's talk about what designers are spotlighting in real project. Shia McGee has been using Benjamin Moore Barista, a deep burgundy brown, in small spaces like powder rooms. It feels dynamic yet cozy. Want your home to instantly feel expensive? Designers are reaching for navy blues, deep olive greens, oxblood, smoked taupe, and even the plum purples. These tones give a home that polished and curated vibe. The magic really happens when you pair the colors intentionally. For example, a soft blush wall with a chocolate brown sofa, a sage green furniture against an off-white wall. The contrast creates the depth without the chaos. Now for the fun part. What's next? 2026 is shaping up to be bold, biophilic, and layered. Teal, sages, and olives, and even the mocha-inspired greens are going to dominate. It's about connecting interiors to nature. Designers predict even more terracotta and clay. Paired with smoky blues, oxblood, these palettes create a rich, timeless backdrop. So, how do you actually choose the right paint for your space? Here's my approach. Start with a mood. Do you want that cozy, cocoon-like, or energized and fresh, grounded and neutral? Let the feeling guide you. Consider context. Look at your natural light, your furniture, your finishes. The same color looks totally different in a sunlit room versus a shaded one. Test before you commit. Always do a swatch. Pick the top color and put it on the wall. View it in the morning, afternoon, and evening. If your trim is warm, choose a wall color with warm undertone. If it's cool, stay in that family. Use accents strategically. Bold colors could be stunning in small doses. From the grounded earth tones of 2025 to the bold, layered palette of 2026, color is evolving in a way that feels both timeless and deeply personal. The best paint color is the one that makes you feel like you. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit subscribe. Leave a comment with your favorite paint color for 2025 or the one that you're most excited to try in 2026. And let's keep designing spaces that feel intentional, warm, and elevated.